To me, biking means freedom, respect for the nature, and also good for your health.
Being right next to one of Stockholm's busiest bikeways is a great advantage for us, as there's lots of people passing every day, and it makes it really easy for them to stop and get their bike repaired. Me and Magnus started working together back in 2000 in a bike shop, mainly in sales, but we both felt that repairing the bikes and fixing them up was the real deal for us. After a couple of years working in different places in bike shops, we both came back and started working together again, sharing the same passion. The workshop opened back in 1961, and when we took it over, we not only loved the location of it, but also all the history that comes with it.
Passion comes when you get that customer with that really old used bike, rusty and almost a wreck. They come in here, been rejected so many times by other shops, and get that bike fixed together. That's really nice. When you get that feeling that your brain and heart are linked together in a creational process, just to find the extra parts for that bike and putting it all together, that's a good feeling. We have many customers that had these bikes from when they were kids, or took them over from their parents or even grandparents. That brings both me and the customer special meaning, getting that bike up and running again. It gives you a great sense of satisfaction when you see the look in the customer's eye when they come here and pick up the bike all put together again. It's those moments that fuels your passion every single day.